Picture class, I want to go over how to use sine and cosine to find the values of the other four trig functions. So one of the nice things about the other four trig functions is all of them can be determined or found once you know sine and cosine. All of them are defined by sine and cosine. So tangent is sine divided by cosine. So once you know these two, you know tangent. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the 1/7 and I'm going to divide by cosine, which is 4 square root of 3 over 7. Now, when you have division involving fractions, if you recall, you just flip over the second one, multiply by the reciprocal. So 4 to the square root of 3. And then what's going to happen here is these 7's are going to cancel. And I end up with the ratio of 1 on top and then 4 square root of 3 on the bottom. So there is my value for the tangent. So fraction bar, 1 on top. Down below, we've got a 4 times the square root of 3. So that's perfect to write it in that format. You can rationalize, for those of you that understand rationalizing denominator, but you don't have to. Now, once you've got sine, cosine, and tangent, you don't need to know how the others are defined by sine and cosine. You can, and if you clicked on the view an example, it would probably talk about that. But all you have to do is flip over the first three. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so I'll just flip over the 7 and the 1, and I get 7 over 1, but it doesn't want me to simplify. So 7 over 1 is just 7, so I don't need to write it as 7 divided by 1. Cosecant is the reciprocal of, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so the 7 is going to go on the top, and the 4 square root of 3 down on the bottom. So 7 up top, 4, click the little square root button right here, square root of 3 on the bottom. And then finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Again, the 1 is going on the bottom, so I don't need to write that. So this is just be the denominator, the 4 square root of 3. So 4, click that square root of 3, or square root button, put a 3 in there, and you are done. There's how we can find tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent when we're given sine and cosine.